Minna no Nihongo Lesson 10 Part 3 Vocab. First, Doa. Door. Doa o akete kudasai. Please open the door. Second, Mado. Window. Mado kara omega miemasu. You can see the sea from the window. Third, Posuto. Post box, mailbox. Posuto ni tegami ga haite arimasu. There is letter in the post box. Fourth, Biru. Building. Ano biru wa watashi no jimusho desu. That building over there is my office. Fifth, Konbini. Convenience store. Konbini de bento o kaimashita. I bought lunch from the convenience store. Sixth, Coin. Park. Inu to coin de sampo shimasu. I take a walk with my dog in the park. 7. Kissaten. Cafe, coffee shop. Eki no mae de atarashi kissaten ga dekimashita. A new cafe has been constructed in front of station. 8. Nani nani ya shop and store. Ano sushi ya wa oishii desu yo. That sushi store is delicious. 9th, Noriba. A fixed place to catch taxis, train, etc. Sumimasen. Takushi no noriba wa doko desu ka? Excuse me, could tell me where the taxi stand is. 10th, Ken. Prefecture. Watashi wa Miyage ken ni sundemasu. I live in the Miyage prefecture. Grammar point 4. N1. Thing, person, place, no, N2. Position. When the N2 represent a direction or a position, example, ue, shita, mai, ushiro, etc., it shows a positional relationship with N1. Example, Sukue no ue ni shashin ka arimasu. There is a photograph on the desk. In the same way as with nouns representing place, the location of an action can be indicated by attaching the particle de to these. Example, Eki no chikaku de tomodachi ni aimashita. I met a friend near the station. Grammar point 5. N1, ya, N2. The particle ya is used when only a few, two more representative items are stated. Nado is sometimes put after the last noun to make it clear that the speaker has not mentioned all the nouns that could be on the list. Example, Hako no naka ni tegami ya shashin nato ga arimasu. There are some letters, photographs, and other things in the box.